This is the employer's voice. The President is asking South Africans to give 67 minutes of community service to mark Mandela Day. Let me be direct. 67 minutes will not fix 30 years of government failure. Fake corporate washing and PR stunts will not tackle the real problem. And no amount of corporate volunteering will replace the 25 trillion rand South Africans have already paid in tax since 1994. I'm Gerard Papenfoos, Chief Executive of NEASA. This week, the President dedicated his newsletter to Mandela Day. He called on South Africans to recommit to ending poverty and inequality. He spoke of feeding the hungry. He spoke of comforting those in need. He also said something else. He said ending poverty means transforming global financial institutions so they serve developing countries. This follows his call a month earlier for the West to pay reparations for slavery and colonialism. So this is the plan: 1 day of charity at home, demands for money from abroad, and silence on the other 364 days, when the policies that created this poverty remain untouched. Here's the number that matters: 25 trillion rand. That is what South African taxpayers and the businesses that employ South Africans have paid into this government since 1994. That money was wasted. It disappeared into cadre deployment, state capture, and into the pockets of officials who now lecture the private sector on transformation. Every employer in this country carries that cost many times over. Once through tax, again through compliance, BE scorecards and labor laws designed to redistribute rather than to grow. And now the same government wants a day of moral theatre to cover for it. This is not empowerment, this is a smokescreen. Government did not lose the war on poverty by accident. It lost it through policy choice. Policies that punish businesses that create jobs and rewards the officials who capture the state. You cannot redistribute your way to prosperity. Every rand taken from a productive business is a rand that does not become a wage, a job, or an apprenticeship. This is not ideology. This is the only logical outcome of 30 years of socialist economic policy dressed up as liberation. NEASA has said this for years. The problem is not a lack of charity. The problem is a government that has made it structurally harder to employ people in this country. Do not be deceived by a public relations campaign. Employers are not the cause of South Africa's poverty. Bad governance is. If you are an employer, your contribution to fighting poverty is not 67 minutes. It is the job you created yesterday, the apprentice you are training this year, the business you kept open through a hostile regulatory environment. That is real. Mandela Day is theatre. South Africa does not need another day of symbolic service. It needs a government that stops punishing the people creating jobs and starts holding accountable the people who wasted 25 trillion rand. If you are not yet a member of NEASA, join today. Become a part of an organization that has your back, knows the law, and is not afraid to use it.